Did you know there are special tools that help us do work more easily? They don't need batteries or electricity. They're called simple machines. And today, we're going to meet all 6 of them. Simple machines are tools that help us lift, move, pull, or push things without using as much effort. People have been using these machines for a very, very long time, even before cars or computers. Let's start with a lever. A lever is like a long bar that moves around a point. You use a lever every time you go on a seesaw. One side goes up, while the other goes down. A shovel, a crowbar, or even a bottle opener works like a lever. Next is the inclined plane. That's just a fancy name for a ramp. It's a flat surface that is tilted. It helps you move things up or down more easily. Instead of lifting a box straight up, you can slide it up a ramp. That's way easier. Now let's talk about the wedge. A wedge is a tool with a sharp edge that can split, cut, or push things apart. Think of an axe, a knife, or even the pointy end of a nail. Those are all wedges. A pulley is a simple machine that uses a rope and a wheel to help lift things. If you've ever seen someone raise a flag on a flagpole, that's a pulley in action. Pulleys are used to lift heavy things by pulling down instead of up. Then we have the wheel and axle. This is one you see every day. On bikes, cars, and even rolling suitcases. The wheel turns around the axle in the middle, and it helps things roll instead of drag. And last is the screw. A screw is a simple machine that turns around and around to hold things together or move them into something. A jar lid is a screw. So is the twisty bottom of a light bulb. So now you know all 6. Lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley, wheel and axle, and screw. You've probably used most of them already, without even knowing it.